Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REDBEAT E3 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on backup and tap on next. Tap on add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection it is required and confirm everything with your screen lock. So here you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. And Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more, and then tap on I agree after reading. Here we have to decide what kind of data we want to back up, so either photos and videos or other device data, or both. Of course, it's up to you. I'll choose only this one and tap on confirm. Tap on manage backup, and here we've got backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. So to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and from now on your device will back up the data. Of course you have to confirm everything with your screen lock. Alright, and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.